Hi, I'm Crow and welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. This morning we're making a video to demonstrate the sound of this beautiful Buffalo Shamanic drum. I'm going to cut straight to the chase and start playing it. The purpose of the video is to hear the sound rather than to find out too much. It's associated, this video is linked to an Etsy listing on our Etsy shop. And there's a link below the video for you to go along and have a little look. So here we go. Hello Jack. Hope you enjoyed that. Sorry about the interruption from little Jack. Obviously had to go out urgently. Okay, I'm Crow. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.